organizations have been doing incident management in their own way, which means that they have a very well defined workflow. When it comes to them embracing Transposit, how does Transposit fit into these workflows? Do they have to make a lot of changes, or it's a very seamless experience for them?
That's a really great question. So I'm a big believer that every organization is going to have their own environment that's going to have tools that they value and enjoy. And our goal is not to come in and make people rebuild, kind of every part of their process. We are very happy to integrate with your existing tooling to leverage the investments you've already made. I think the place where we really shine is in integrating into those tools and then surfacing the right moments to bring those tools into your workflow. So, kind of for us, organizations typically will integrate into their Jira environment, into their observability tooling, into whatever they're using for CI/CD, for code repositories. And that allows us to leverage the investments that they've made in automation in those systems while bringing them together into an end-to-end flow around their incidents.